The best part about the bootcamp was having a hands-on experience in entrepreneurship, not just reading about it in books or the internet.
For me, it was more about like putting your thoughts to the test and exploring different sides of yourself. If you're an engineer, you're going to have to think about the market and the business side of things and vice versa.
It was a really transformative experience. I really got to know what it would like to be an entrepreneur and to pursue that in the future. It really helped me figure out what I want to do with my life.
A lot of learning, a lot of patience as well, a lot of pitching. I gave the same pitch about 6 times to various mentors because the moment one leaves, another person joins your table.
It was an incredible experience being able to listen to some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs from Silicon Valley, from all over the world, and be able to take tangible insights from that and apply it to my own journey in startup world.
As a student who is interested in entrepreneurship, didn't know exactly where she wanted to go, this is a great opportunity for you to, one, meet a lot of really cool people that are leaders in the different industries, and two, just learn a lot from a really supportive community.
After these past 5 days, I feel like I've completely changed. The mentors who are helping us, they're extremely caring. They truly do want to help you and are really good at their job.
I meet a lot of people from other countries and learn a lot of cultures and how to build a great startup.
The SCET program has taught me that to be myself and open up to the world of new ideas and new opportunities.
I met a lot of people from diverse backgrounds. My team has someone from geek psychology and econ, which really complements the team well.
I would encourage you guys, even if you don't have a startup idea, no worries, just join Bootcamp.